Number 1.
1995 GMC Sierra, price $7,500. This pickup is a clean and classic old body style truck that's ready to hit the road. It's powered by a reliable 5.7L 350 V8 engine with TBI fuel injection, paired with an automatic transmission with overdrive. With 200,000 original miles on the odometer, it has been well maintained and comes with tons of receipts and paperwork to back up its service history. The truck features a lowered stance with a proper C-notch in the frame, giving it both style and functionality.
It's an extended cab with a short wheelbase, offering a great balance between space and maneuverability.
The exterior is finished in black, complemented by a clean gray interior. The air conditioning blows ice cold, and it sits on a set of brand new tires. Everything on this truck works as it should, and it runs and drives excellently.
Number 2.
1990 Mitsubishi Mighty Max, price $3,500. Original condition mini truck finished in white with a blue interior.
It features a 2.4L 4-cylinder gasoline engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. Although it has 324,000 miles, the engine was professionally rebuilt at 165,000 miles and still runs and drives well. This is the base model but was special ordered with factory AC, which still blows cold. It's completely stock, never modified, and comes with a clean California title. The current owner is the second owner and has complete service records dating back to 1990. Recent maintenance includes new spark plugs, ignition wires, and a fresh oil change. Known issues: check engine light is on, slight engine misfire, unknown cause, and it will need 2 new tires soon. A solid, well-maintained vintage mini truck with great potential. Number 3.
1984 Dodge D100, price $7,000. This pickup is a remarkably clean example for its age.
Showing just 119,000 miles on the odometer, it retains its original character with a factory V6 engine and a manual transmission.
The truck features a white exterior paired with a tan interior, both of which remain in good condition and reflect its well-preserved, all-original state. Riding on stock suspension, it sits nicely on a set of 15 by 12.50 prime wheels that give it a classic, aggressive stance. Powered by gasoline, this Dodge D100 offers a raw, analog driving experience that's increasingly rare to find. With its simple and honest design, this truck is a great choice for vintage truck enthusiasts or anyone seeking a solid foundation for a light restoration or daily cruiser.
Number 4.
1991 Ford F-150, price $10,000, with 163,000 miles on the body and a fresh drivetrain.
It features an off-white exterior with a red interior, and under the hood is a 351 WF4TE roller block built into a 408 CI stroker with only about 1,000 miles since the rebuild. It's equipped with an Edelbrock ProFlow 4 EFI system, AFR 220 aluminum heads, and a full 3-inch stainless exhaust paired with JBA headers. The E4OD automatic transmission is managed by a US shift controller for precise shifting. Major new parts include a 3G alternator, power steering pump, water pump, steering gearbox, aluminum radiator with electric fans, Bilstein shocks, 2-inch lift with new coil springs and drop brackets, all new ball joints. Tie rods, Cooper tires, Optima red top battery, mini high-torque starter, and an external high-pressure fuel pump, built in Hawaii and brought stateside. The truck runs and drives well when cold but has a hot restart issue and hasn't been professionally tuned yet. Nearly every component is new, with receipts for all the parts and work. Number 5.
1994 GMC Sonoma, price $3,400, one-owner truck with a clean title and a documented history, including early service records and the original window sticker. It has 197,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a reliable 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives well and remains mostly clean for its age, though it isn't without imperfections. Finished in silver with a gray interior, the body is straight, particularly impressive for a Sonoma of this vintage. That said, the clear coat has faded in places, and there's a small rust bubble beginning to form on the driver's side bedside. The interior is decent overall but could use a new headliner, and the dashboard has a few cracks. Recent maintenance includes a new battery installed last year, as well as new rear shocks and a new muffler. The AC system is present but will need to be recharged to blow cold again.
Number 6.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. It has traveled approximately 191,000 miles.
It features a reliable TBI 350 engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, and it runs and drives great.
Finished in a classic brown exterior, the truck's interior color isn't specified, but overall it presents itself well.
The vehicle sits on a Beltec 5.7 drop kit for a lowered stance, giving it a clean and aggressive street look. It's equipped with new staggered Riddler 20-inch wheels, providing a bold and balanced profile. The windows are fully tinted, and it comes with new stock taillights as well as a set of smoked LED taillights for customization. While the truck runs strong, it does have a couple of minor issues. There's a leak in the AC system and a small exhaust leak.
Number 7.
1963 Chevrolet C10, price $9,000, with 157,000 miles on the odometer. It still runs strong thanks to its original 283 cubic inch V8 engine, paired with a smooth-shifting 3-speed manual transmission. The truck is entirely gasoline-powered and delivers the kind of raw, mechanical driving feel that enthusiasts appreciate. Finished in a bold black exterior with a matching black interior, this C10 stands out with a timeless, no-nonsense look. The cabin has recently been treated to a full interior refresh, giving it a clean, comfortable feel while maintaining its vintage character. Complementing its classic design is a brand new set of 15-inch dog dish moon wheels and tires, enhancing both its appearance and road presence.
Number 8.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000. This pickup is a solid running project truck with around 200,000 miles. It's powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and finished in sleek black. It features new dual Flowmaster exhaust, 454 SS wheels with new tires, and tinted windows. The interior has low-profile bucket seats with a center console, newly recovered upholstery, fresh carpet, and a new windshield. Upgrades include a C-notch, flip kit in the rear, new front suspension, new shocks with extenders, new brakes, and a new fuel tank with pump. A new battery and spark plugs have also been installed. This custom Chevy blends performance and style, ideal for cruising or as a foundation for further personalization.
Number 9.
1968 Chevrolet C10, price $7,500. It features a manual 3-on-the-tree transmission paired with a 250 inline-6 V6 engine, and runs on gasoline. The truck has 88,000 original miles and still runs and drives just as it should, though it can be a little cold-natured when first started. The exterior is finished in blue, matching its blue interior, and while the paint is slightly faded due to age, it still presents well for a vehicle of this vintage. There is some minor rust below the driver's side door, but it's not serious. The bed will eventually need new boards, though the structure remains usable. Overall, this Chevy is a solid example of a survivor pickup, largely original, with manual everything, and still going strong after more than 5 decades.
Number 10.
1992 Ford F-150, price $3,500. It has approximately 155,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a strong 8-cylinder gasoline engine. The vehicle features a manual transmission, which delivers a more connected and hands-on driving experience. Finished in a striking red exterior with a clean gray interior, this F-150 still holds its charm. The truck is equipped with dual gas tanks, allowing for extended driving range, ideal for longer trips or work-related use. Most of its functions remain in good working condition, and the lighting has been upgraded both inside and out with modern, brighter bulbs to enhance visibility and safety, especially at night.